Got a new Galaxy S26 Ultra and want to add your Gmail account? It only takes a minute, and you can even add multiple accounts if you need to. Let's go ahead and see. First, open Settings on your phone. Scroll down a bit and tap on Accounts and Backup. Now go into Manage Accounts. Here, tap on Add Account. You'll see a list of account types. Select Google from the list. If prompted, verify yourself using your PIN, fingerprint, or whatever security you have set. Now, enter your Gmail address and tap Next. Carefully type in your password, then press Next again. On the next screen, scroll down and tap I agree to accept Google's terms and conditions. And that's it. Your account is now added to your Galaxy S26 Ultra. You can repeat the same steps to add more Google accounts anytime you want. Thanks for your time.